let me tell you about the experience in life, how important that is, and what do we give up. We all have many times belief that don't do this or don't do that. Let me use an example. This year's in January, we were planning to go to skiing, and most of my friends said, do not go to skiing, it's freaking cold, it's too scary, people break their legs, and it's not worth it. And I was engraved with this belief that I should not do it. But thank God I went up and did this skiing trip with my friends and family, and there was 8 of us. Once you get on the top of that mountain, something like that, you're on the top, the view is priceless. And many times even we are scared not to go experience the best things we can, like something like this. This is such a heaven, beautiful place. The challenge is, one thing I learned in life through all this, when you actually go and feel these experiences, is the belief is a poor substitute of an experience. Let me repeat that. Belief is a poor substitute for an experience. We are engraved with this belief that this might not be good. Why believe that until we experience that? What's the worst thing can happen? You may end up in a place like this. So appreciate the experiences, what we have in life, and live blessed.